Hello guys, this is Satyam Sinha, and in this video I am going to discuss a little bit about Visual Studio Code before proceeding further, because there are many IDs or code editor you can say uh, which does a good job, and maybe you have some other code editor also as a favorite one, but my personal favorite one is Visual Studio Code. And according to me Visual Studio Code gives us means benefit of all other code editors, because we have so much extensions, themes are available out there in Visual Studio Code, so that we never get bored out of it. Okay, so in this video I'm going to discuss little bit about the Visual Studio Code. You can think this as a crash course of Visual Studio Code, and if you follow this you can increase your efficiency while coding, because you can install some extension in the Visual Studio Code which can really increase your efficiency, like Emmet is one of them. Okay, so let's get started without wasting any more second. So let's start my Visual Studio Code. So this is my Visual Studio Code. Okay, so what's so special about this editor? Okay, so first of all thing is developed by Microsoft, and it is open source, means many developers are there who are contributing in its repository. Okay, and making it better day by day. Okay, so if I go there in the file, you can simply create a new file. You can simply create here a new window like that. If you see, it creates a new window for us. Means simply under this we can simply create a new window like this. Next, or you can simply just click here and open your workspace, or you can simply open a folder. Let's say I'm going to open one simple folder, maybe like this. Let me open this folder. Okay, so if you can see here, all these folders are opened. Okay, means that folder, and it is giving us a nice drop down view like this, and all the icons uh, are means awesome, means all the icons are so much awesome. So why? Because I have designed, means I have installed some extensions. Okay, due to that extension we can see such nice file icon themes. Okay, and we have various themes available also in Visual Studio Code. So to view that, you can simply go to the preferences, and inside that we can simply go to the color theme, and after clicking that you can see here a lot of themes out there which you want to try. Maybe here are, you can simply use solarized light. It can turn your Visual Studio to uh, of uh, of light background. Okay, light theme. Or maybe you can simply use something like um, this one, IU, just like that. And you can simply install your own also, like you can simply install your own, like IU adapter like this. And let me show you that how to install one theme. So if you just go scroll a little bit, you can simply show here install additional color themes. Okay, just click there, and you can see here it is showing, it is going to show you a lot of themes. Okay, all those themes are there. Okay, and horizon theme, dual theme, maybe you can simply use a material theme. I'll also material theme, let me search one here. Okay, here it is, material theme. I personally like it. I personally like material theme. Okay, so simply click there, and if you simply install that, it is going to install that for you. It is developed by Mattia Astronio. Maybe, I don't think, hoping that I'm taking his name correct. Okay, so you can simply use this one as like this. You can see such awesome theme. Okay, lighter, you can set your theme to lighter also, like higher contrast also. or maybe you can use something like darker also. Okay, so all those things you can customize it also. Let's say you want to change the color of this sidebar, means let's say you want to change this color to white. So okay, you can also do that also. So to do that, you can simply go to the preferences, settings. In here in the workbench, go to the workbench. Here you can find this one, edit settings.json. Now we can simply use here, type this something like a name of our theme, material. What the heck is happening there? Here you can simply go to the workbench color customization and go there, and material theme darker. Maybe we're using that theme. I am not making any wrong, making any mistake. So if you go there in the material icon, and let's say you want to change that color of the sidebar, so simply type here sidebar dot background. If you can see in the suggestions, and simply type here white. Oh, we don't use this one. We use something like okay, just like that. If you save that, you can see our this theme also get changed. Okay, so isn't it awesome? Means you can simply change, means you can design this whole editor of your own choice. Means you have that freedom to design your whole editor of your own choice. Means you can edit each and every part of this editor. Okay, so I am not liking this one, so I'm going to delete that and saving that. So now it is back to its own. So basically we understood that we can simply edit each and every part of this editor. Okay, like this. I'm not going to show you all of them. You can simply experiment that on your own, so that you can make, means you can make your own theme also out of it. So one is done. Let's say you want to change the font of this of your editor. So simply go to a text editor, and in here you can see the font here, and you can simply change your font of your own. Okay, simply use this one, or maybe use, can you paste of your font of your own choice, maybe whatever you want. Okay, you can choose your own font size, font weight also. Maybe want to have bold or normal, depending upon your preference. Formatting, if you know, if you're programming a little bit, you know that code formatting, there's a thing called code formatting, which makes your code much more readable. So for that we use formatting, like formatting on paste. Means whenever you paste some code, whatever, maybe from GitHub or maybe from Stack Overflow, it will automatically format that on paste. If you check this out. Means if I am going to check that, means it is automatically going to format whenever I paste code from anywhere. Okay, format on save. Let's say I am saving something, and it's automatically going to format my code. So this will save you a lot of time on indenting each and every line. So this will save you a lot of time. Format on type, means as soon as I start typing, it is formatting. It start formatting in the backend. Means there is some kind of thread running there. Okay, format on type. If you want to do that, you can. Not a big deal. Next, if we now let us talk about this icons, file icons. Like you can see here, this awesome file icons. It's how to change that or how to customize that. let's let's have a look into it. So just click on the settings. No, sorry, not settings. Just go to the preferences. In file icon theme, you can see here, just click there, and you can choose whatever theme you want. Like you want to have my darker theme, you can see here my file icons are changed, so you can choose it whatever you want. Okay, now these are all about customization and making your code editor beautiful. Now let us talk about terminal. You can also use terminal here. Like if you just click on this and click on new terminal, you have also shortcut like control shift plus tilt, or just control plus tilt. It will do the work, or simple control plus shift plus V is going to build the task. So let's open the terminal using just control plus tilt. If you don't know, tilt is just below your escape key, and if you just click that, here is the terminal. It will take some time to initialize depending upon your computer. And here it is. Now just wait a little. Yeah, now it is done. You can simply perform any task over there. Okay, and you can simply use all the command of your command prompt over there. Okay, like dir, like we use. Okay, all the things are looking cool. So now we have learned that. Next thing which we are going to learn is how to install extension. Let's say you want to install some extension. Let's say you want to increase your productivity or efficiency. You want some auto completion happen in your code. Okay. So for that you can simply go here and install your. Let's say you're working on something like PHP or something like C sharp, or maybe you're working on Node.js. So you can search just the name of that language. Let's say we want code formatting on C sharp, so you can simply use here just like this here, and you can simply, if you install that, you can simply use formatting like here. uh, Sorry, not code formatting, it's for code auto completion. Okay, so you can simply use all those things and you can just experiment it little bit, that which is going to suit your own need. Okay, if you don't know how to use that, you can simply just click there, and here it is. Here all the documentation is provided for that particular extension. This is all developed by programmer like you and me. Okay, some are from Microsoft, some are from normal programmers like you and me. Means everybody can contribute over there. It's such an awesome place for every developer. Like, you don't have to switch so much code editors and all things. You can just simply install a VS Code and you can do all the stuff. Surely there are atoms also. Atom is also there, but Atom, in my thing, I think that it is too much bulky. Means it takes so much time, and it is not so lightweight as VS Code. And VS Code, I think, is so much lightweight. So I prefer installing Visual Studio Code. Maybe you are liking something like Sublime, or maybe Atom, so feel free to use that also. Not a big deal. But if you are following upon this tutorial, then VS Code will serve you well. Okay, it's because I'm going to install so much of extension in Visual. So if you're going to follow along, I recommend using VS Code. Okay, so ending this video here. I hope you learned something new from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.